Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting and capturing the base image that will carry the Ghibli look. Use soft, directional light and a simple subject. This gives the painterly shadows you want. Once done, shoot RAW or the highest quality JPEG and keep the exposure slightly high for rich midtones. Make sure to compose with the rule of thirds grid or central symmetry, depending on scene. These first steps lock in the forms and lighting that the stylization will preserve, so don't rush them. Next, transform the photo's colors and textures to match Studio Ghibli sensibilities. Begin with color grading, warm midtones, slightly cooler shadows, and modest saturation increases to achieve that nostalgic palette. Once graded, use painting layers or smudge tools to simplify busy details and soften hard edges. Think brush strokes rather than photorealism. Then manually paint small highlights and organic foliage strokes to recreate the finish by balancing contrast and selectively sharpening crisp edges while keeping soft areas, skin, clouds, and painted backgrounds gentle and dreamy. Once balanced, flatten or export layers at high quality and preview at the intended display size. This reveals any lost detail. If textures look overbearing, lower the texture layer opacity or apply a mask to remove it from faces and distant backgrounds. If the image loses warmth, nudge midtone color balance slightly toward warm orange. That small tweak often rescues the Ghibli mood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.